Larsen & Toubro is at the forefront of the construction and mining equipment industry, providing robust machines with cutting-edge technology, enduring partnerships, and superior service. L&T offers state-of-the-art hydraulic excavators from Komatsu from 7-ton to 300-ton capacity. With over 25,000 machines working pan-India, L&T continues to bring value and trust to their relationships with over 10,000 customers. More than 5,000 PC130 machines are successfully deployed across India in multiple applications like earthwork, real estate, quarries, blue metal, desilting, sewage works, pond and aqua culture, tunneling, steel scrap handling. PC130 Hydraulic Excavator is designed and manufactured by Komatsu at its state-of-the-art facility in Chennai. The machine brings to the fore a synergy of technology and performance to deliver best-in-class fuel efficiency, unmatched productivity, enhanced durability, advanced features like HydroMind and Contracts, superior quality, best operator ergonomics. The PC130 is powered by the powerful heavy-duty 89 HP Komatsu engine, which has the best fuel efficiency in its class. With a 4.6 meter boom and arm length of 2.1 meter or 2.5 meter, the machine has the best digging force of 93 kiloNewton and a reach of 8 meters. The performance is sustained and unmatched among its peers across user segments. All major components such as engine, hydraulic pump, motor and control valve are designed and manufactured by Komatsu in Japan and deliver the highest standards of reliability and quality. The operator's cabin is ergonomically designed and meets superior safety standards. Use of hybrid filters enhances the oil life and plan better replacement intervals. When it comes to machine maintenance, the remotely fitted filters are easily accessible from the ground level. Komatsu PC130 is built to meet the tough conditions of the Indian earth-moving industry. The machine now comes with competitive variants to handle comprehensive applications such as earthwork variant, quarry variant, tunnel variant, long arm variant. The PC130 standard machine is the ideal choice for applications that demand voluminous output delivered in the shortest period with low fuel consumption. The PC130 Hydraulic Excavator also compares well in terms of productivity and performance with many 20-ton models in the marketplace. In fact, the PC130 is the most preferred hydraulic excavator in the 13-ton class for minor irrigation, desilting, real estate development, brick manufacturing, aquaculture, road construction, and other infrastructure projects. The PC130 Quarry variant symbolizes toughness unleashed. The machine is robust with heavy-duty undercarriage and reinforced structures. These include thick shoe plate assembly, heavy-duty track link, idler reinforcements, and track guide, heavy-duty arm, strengthened granite bucket, turbo pre-cleaner, rock breaker arm meter, additional working lamps. Komatsu PC130 fitted with rock breaker is ideal for secondary breaking in stone quarries and for trenching. The PC130 tunnel variant is one of its kind in this specific category. For the niche tunneling application, this variant offers excavating solutions in hydropower projects, road and rail construction, and similar infrastructure projects where the working range is restricted to 5.25 meter diameter. The PC130 tunnel variant has a short boom of 2.85 meter length, machine lifting hooks on boom and counterweight, cabin top guard. The PC130 with specially designed long arm caters to the material handling requirements, especially in wagon unloading. The PC130 Hydraulic Excavator comes with Comtrax, the satellite-based machine monitoring system from Komatsu. It helps the customer in optimizing machine management remotely, anywhere, anytime. With a nationwide network of dealers and service personnel on call 24/7, L&T has ensured that their customers meet their timelines with speed and efficiency. L&T Central Warehouse at Nagpur stocks Komatsu genuine parts which are made available in quick time with online access for order placements, ensuring prompt service. L&T takes pride in meeting expectations of customers and building long-term relationships which are reinforced over time by providing best-in-class solutions. Komatsu PC130 is the most popular machine in the 13-ton class, which has carved a niche in various user segments and continues to create new benchmarks in productivity and performance.